Today we have November's beauty boxes, which of course I'm always excited about because it's like a present, but it's not because I paid for it, but it still feels like a present because it's always a surprise and I always get more than my money's worth. I currently only get 3 beauty boxes. I will have the prices of the subscriptions listed as well as the full size of the products. The only box I do not have all full size in is the Allure one. I will list the full price and let you know when I'm showing you a full size or deluxe sample. So anyways, here is the Allure box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I am not removing that because no surprises. First thing out of the Allure box is this pamphlet here. I always like these because it talks a little bit about the products inside and I love that. Okay, so the first thing we got is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. This here retails for $26. This is full size. This brand back in the day was like the one to get for brows and shadows and stuff. So I'm actually kind of excited about it, but this says it comes in soft brown, which should be good for me, but let's open it and look at it. This is what the brow pencil looks like. Okay, so it is triangular shaped. And it looks like the color is going to be just fine for me. I'll have to blend it. It might be a little darker than I intended. I don't know, I think this color will be fine on me. See, there it is right there. I might have to mix this with another color, but that's okay. I think it'll work. The other end of it, of course, is a spoolie, so you can brush it into your eyebrow hairs. If you have eyebrow hairs, unlike me. Alright, the next thing we got here is Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is Kohl Matte 707. This is not really for me. This retails for $21. I don't currently own any Kylie Jenner products, and I honestly don't want to. But this is the color. It's not even a color I'd wear, so I am going to stick this in my giveaway box. Okay, the next thing we got here is Obagi. This retails for $62, and this looks like another full size. This is a hydrating cream. I don't know if it's for face or all over. Let me see. Okay, so this is for your face and neck, and it's for aging skin, which is good for me because I am in my 40s. I like anything that helps preserve my skin. Yeah, so this is what the bottle looks like. It is a nice size tube. I feel like the amount in this is pretty generous. Even though it is $62, I still feel like this is a good amount. Alright, next thing we got is Fenty perfume here. This is a travel size. I guess it's just Fenty Fragrance. I don't know if it has an actual name. I don't really see it. The retail size is $140 for 75 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. Okay, so on here it says it's a warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine. I was expecting this to be a heavy scent, and I don't feel like it is. I feel like this is still relatively light, but it does have a winter feel to it, and I do like it. Okay, the next thing we got is Ebrium Skin Therapy Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum. This retails for $59. So this is a sample size. The full size is 30 milliliters. This is 10. Either way, I'm going to use it because I like a good night serum. I find that like in the winter time, and for those who are aging, a nice serum like this and a thicker cream at night actually helps your skin quite a bit and gives it more of a plump, fresh look in the morning. This is Meech Set Glow to Foam Styling Gel, and this retails for $23 at a full size at 7.5 ounces. This is just 2 ounces. Either way, that is a good travel size and something I'm going to use. I don't usually use foams and gels in my hair, but sometimes I do. So this actually works for me because I don't really need a full size, it'll go to waste. The last thing in this is a sample packet of Eva NYC Lift Off Volumizing Hair Mask. The full size of this is 250 milliliters, which retails for $16. This is 20. So this is, you know, 1, maybe 2 uses. This is, oh, I guess mine isn't the hair mask, it's the, well, it is a mask, it's a shine mask. It says Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask. So there's that. It says it's got argan oil and neem oil, and I like both of those in my hair, so I might actually give this a try. Alright, the next thing we got is Eyescream Beauty. This has been coming in a box, so this is the first time I've seen it in a bag. It might have come in a bag once before, but typically it's in a box. I don't know the switch up either way. It feels less in my trash can, so I'm okay with it. But let's go ahead and see what's in. Okay, so they always have a nice little sheet in there about listing the products, a little bit about them and the price. Theirs is all full size. Their products are all independent beauty brands, which I adore. First thing we got is the Classic Autumn eyeshadow palette right here by DD Signature, and this retails for $35. I typically like autumn palettes because the colors are really warm with like a little pop of color, so let's see if this one stays true to that. Okay, so my little gold here looks like it's a little loose, but it seems to be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these and we'll look at the colors. Alright, so these are the colors swatched. You can see one row is a nice bunch of mattes, and these are some really pretty shiny shimmery colors. Very metallic. They pick up the light very well. I only swatched these once and just wiped, so I'm very impressed with the pigment so far. I hope they wear as well as they swatch because these are beautiful and stunning. Alright, so we've got a foundation brush. This is from Cheeky Rose Beauty, and this retails for $38. I have foundation brushes and I'm not really using them, so I think that's going to go in my giveaway box. Alright, the next thing we got is Chocolate Bronze Liquid Eyeshadow by Bayou Babe Beauty, and this retails for $30. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, and the reason is not necessarily it's a bad product, but liquid shadows don't really wear well on my eyelids, and I don't know why. It doesn't matter how beautiful they are, which this is beautiful. See that? They just don't wear well. They crease up. I don't know why. Even if I let it dry and then I blink later, they crease up on me, and it's not a cute look to me. So that is probably going in my giveaway bin as well. Okay, so the next thing we got is Snatched Fiber Mascara by Lash Step, and this retails for $21. I'm definitely going to give this a try. Fiber mascaras actually help with like extending your lashes, so I am wanting to try that. Let's see if we can look at the tube a little bit better. This tube is really nice, looks really fancy. I ain't gonna lie, it looks really fancy. So I hope that it stands up to the packaging. I hope it's better than the packaging because, I mean, I got high hopes for it. Okay, so the next thing I got is Tinted Lip Balm by Lovebird Beauty, and this retails for $10. I love a good lip balm. Sometimes I just don't really want gloss on my lips, and lip balms, tinted lip balms are a great choice to still have that pop of color. Okay, so this is the color of the lip balm. I swatched it already, but it is a lip balm, so it is kind of sheer, but I think that color is really pretty. We are moving on to the last box. The last box is BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is this right here. And it comes in looking like this. This has stuff in it I never read, so I can't really tell you much about it. I don't know many people that do, but they send it anyway. And the first thing we got here is a Hyaluronic Plumping Mist from Balance Me. It's got neroli in it, and I actually really like neroli. It smells nice and it does wonderful things for your skin. This is what the bottle looks like. Nothing too fancy. It is glass, so I will give it props for that. I don't know the prices of these. I will have them listed because, you know, that little booklet doesn't really tell me the prices, but I will list them on the screen. Alright, the next thing I got is Derma Lactatives. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's a weird name anyway. It's Purifying Apple Cider Toning Mist. Now, I do know that apple cider is an excellent toner. I don't really care much for the spell, but it is an excellent toner for your skin. So I got high hopes for this. This is in a glass container, and because it does have apple cider, I'm also glad it's slightly tinted so that it protects the ingredients in it. The next thing is a serum. This is from Bora. This is Hydrania Tea Intensive Hydration Serum. Now, I've used stuff from this brand before, and I do like this brand. So, again, pretty excited, pretty high hopes. Ooh, it is in a glass bottle, and that is the color of the serum. That's not the bottle, that's the serum. So, I think that's really cool. It's really pretty. I don't know how well you can see the serum on there, but that looks really, really beautiful. And the next thing we got here is a collagen boosting serum, and I can never say this brand. It's like Snage. That's not right, but anyways, that is the box, and it says Bonjour Beautiful on top. Okay, thank you for that, I guess. That is the container. Now, I have used this brand before, but not necessarily the serum, so I do have a good impression of this brand as well. Okay, the last thing we got here is just says hyaluronic lip butter. Okay, apple sugar plum. That is what it says. Dew of the Gods. Now, I've used this brand before. I do like this brand. I don't know about this particular lip balm. Let's see. I'm curious if it's actually tinted or if it's just flavored. But let's see here. This is what it looks like. The tube looks like. Okay, so I am going to open it because I use my lip balms like crazy. Okay, so it's not tinted. It's clear. I don't really notice the sugar plum taste. I do a little bit now. It's not real strong. It's very faint. It's not bad. I like it. It's nice. Anyways, that is all of my items from my beauty boxes. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.